work with other students, share the same viewpoint as me, especially about their viewpoint about the upcoming elections. Simply create a survey or a poll to gather more people or more students who potentially share the same viewpoint as me. That's creating a poll about the viewpoints and the legal goodbye activities of the candidates. Next, I should lead a small group or student organization that strategies, vote body, and other activities of candidates because this group will be the foundation of the advocacy. Next step is use the popularity of social media to share about encourage more people or encourage more youth students that may not tolerate vote body. Step 5 is potential candidates, yours, the advocacy to let more people know about the legal and ethical ways of the candidates. This is important for more people to know about the issues of illegal vote buying.